News: Robinhood to acquire Bitstamp for $200 million, marking major expansion in crypto business. June 6, 2024. Lena Castillo. Robinhood expands global crypto reach with $200 million Bitstamp acquisition. Trading platform Robinhood has announced its plan to acquire Bitstamp, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, for $200 million in an all-cash deal. This strategic acquisition aims to bolster Robinhood's global presence in the crypto market and attract institutional clients by leveraging Bitstamp's robust infrastructure and industry-leading products. The transaction, expected to close in the first half of 2025, was facilitated by Barclays Capital and Galaxy Digital, highlighting the high-level professional guidance involved in the deal. Johan Kerbrat, general manager of Robinhood Crypto, emphasized the significance of this acquisition, stating, "The acquisition of Bitstamp is a major step in growing our crypto business. Bitstamp's highly trusted and long-standing global exchange has shown resilience through market cycles. Through this strategic combination, we are better positioned to expand our footprint outside of the U.S. and welcome institutional customers to Robinhood." Robinhood assured that there will be no layoffs or staff changes, as both companies will merge their operations to maintain consistent service, security, and reliability for customers. The company highlighted its commitment to transparency throughout the integration process. This merger is crucial for attracting retail investors to the crypto market, particularly in the United States, where Coinbase holds a significant market share. Robinhood's acquisition of Bitstamp not only underscores its commitment to the crypto sector but also introduces new competition to the retail crypto market.
So let's walk through this deal, and then I want to get into meme stocks and everything that's going on in the markets right now.
Sure.
But what does this do in terms of what you're doing with crypto and everything else?
Yeah, it's really three things that got us excited. One is this is an international business, and it accelerates our plans for international expansion, particularly in crypto. Second, it brings an exchange to Robinhood, and we've been thinking for a long time that the world could use a Robinhood exchange. We have a lot of ideas about how we can improve upon that. And as we talk to our market makers, we see there's a clear need for another player in the market. And then the third, institutional business. This allows Robinhood to enter a new business, serving market makers and other institutional customers. And that's something that's very exciting for us.
So what does a Robinhood exchange look like? And what does this say, or does it say anything about regulation in crypto in the U.S. versus elsewhere outside of this country, and where you think the growth opportunity is?
Yeah, the business is global, Bitstamp that is.
Right.
It's Europe-based. And as you guys probably know, Europe, we make fun of us Europeans. I could say us Europeans because I'm American and European, lead in regulation. And in this particular case, MiCA, which is the crypto asset regulation, is going live. So there's an established regulatory framework. And unfortunately, Europe is a little bit ahead in this regard, but I don't think the U.S. is too far behind. I think that it's always kind of darkest before dawn, as they say, and you're seeing some positive signs with the
This will serve, though, foreign customers, if you will, meaning American customers will not be able to necessarily use some of these services, right?
Well, again, I think it gets a little tricky with the institutional business. A lot of these customers are based globally and have offices around the world. We haven't yet gotten to the point where we're going to discuss the details of exactly how the integration is going to go, but we do anticipate it serving global customers.
The reason I ask is there's a staking business, and as you know, staking right now is a hot topic in Washington. Coinbase is in the middle of a bit of a brouhaha. That might be a polite word for it. So I'm just trying to understand how you're thinking of keeping the business, to the extent that any of these businesses have to be separated for now.
Yeah, I mean, we've already had to go down that road. So we launched Solana staking for customers in the EU, but given the regulatory environment here, we've been unable to launch that product for customers in the US. There are differences in asset listings between the EU and US. So, I mean, we're going to have to continue doing that as we expand the business with the exchange.
White label solution Bitstamp as a service. The acquisition marks Robinhood's foray into the institutional. This strategic move positions Robinhood as a formidable. The acquisition marks Robinhood's foray into the institutional crypto business. By utilizing Bitstamp's offerings, including the white label solution Bitstamp as a service, institutional lending, and staking, Robinhood gains access to an established crypto infrastructure. Bitstamp's core spot exchange, which features over 85 tradable assets, along with its staking and lending products, will significantly enhance Robinhood's cryptocurrency portfolio. This strategic move positions Robinhood as a formidable player in the global crypto market, poised to innovate and expand its services to meet the growing demands of both retail and institutional investors.